Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait about 5 minutes so residual charge dissipates. Next, unbolt the upper engine cover and lift or unclip the intake to expose the accessory drive. Once visible, release the tensioner and remove the serpentine belt, making sure you trace the belt path or take a photo. This prevents reassembly mistakes. With the belt off, you'll have clear access to the AC compressor clutch assembly and can begin the. Now, hold the compressor body steady with a second wrench. This prevents the shaft from turning while you work on the clutch. Use the correct socket to back out the center clutch bolt. You may need an impact or breaker bar if it's tight. Once the bolt is out, carefully slide the outer pulley and clutch plate off the shaft. Inspect the pulley bearing and surrounding seals for wear or metal debris, because a damaged bearing often causes clutch failure and will need replacement before reassembly. With the clutch plate removed, unplug the coil's electrical connector and unscrew its mounting hardware. Keep screws in order. Lift the coil straight off the compressor face to avoid scratching the rotor or housing. Before installing the new coil, measure its resistance to confirm it matches the specification. Then seat it and tighten fasteners to the manufacturer torque. Once done, reassemble the pulley and clutch plate, reinstall the belt, reconnect the battery, and test AC engagement. If the clutch doesn't engage, check power.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.